Hi there, hope you're well. I'm Peter Millard and I'm here to help you make the most of your time in the workshop or when you're taking on DIY projects at home, maybe for the first time. I've been a one-man band carpenter and cabinet maker here in London for over 20 years, and in the last 6 months I've gone full-time on YouTube so that I can concentrate on making my down-to-earth, helpful videos and how-to guides about home projects, workshop jigs, money-saving tips and the occasional tool review, all mixed in with a little bit of recent client work just to help give you some real life perspective. Now, whether you're new to the world of woodworking, a seasoned professional, or maybe somebody who's coming back to making after you've got the child wrangling part of your life out of the way, there's plenty for you here. Follow along and get real, no-nonsense, honest advice from someone who's been exactly where you are. I'm not going to tell you that you need the most expensive tools or the finest materials just to make a set of shelves or a bathroom cabinet. Subscribe now, just click on the button right down there in the corner and join the 10-minute workshop team. I'm here to help folks just like you.